And welcome to the finals of the 2012 Dave Schultz Memorial International in Greco-Roman here from the Olympic Training Center in Colorado Springs, Colorado. We kick things off here at 55 kilos, 121 pounds. In the red for the United States in the Army's world-class athlete program, Spencer Mango, three-time world team member and 2008 Olympian. Wrestling on the mat against Rajender Kumar, the 26-year-old Commonwealth Games champion. Kumar got here with a three-period victory over Max Nowry, and previously had a fall over Dmitry Ryabchinsky and an opening round win over Jermaine Hodge, while Mango topped Nakano of Japan in the opening round, then beat Nico Trigas, and then beat Joginder Singh of India. As we are 40 seconds, coming up on 45 seconds into period number one, and we are scoreless. Mango in the red out of St. Louis, Missouri. Wrestling out here at the Army's world-class athlete program. Big driving in, and they're going to want a challenge for this, it seems, and we will go right to a challenge. So they're calling for legs, so we will mute the audio and give you. Oh, nope, they didn't give a one. No points awarded, so we will not have a review. We thought we were going to. Tim Taylor, Marcel Cooper in the corner for Mango. 9th in the 2009 Worlds, 8th at the Olympics. 4-time U.S. Open champion. Kumar, 2-time world team member. 5th at the 2011 Asian Championships. Mango's 25, went to Northern Michigan out of high school, concentrating on Greco. And we are scoreless at 90 seconds, so we will go to parterre. And in this situation, Mango, because he is the red wrestler, will be in the top position in parterre and has to score. And he goes to his favorite reverse lift position. Slips on the lock, tries to readjust. Tries to lift. And there wants to be a challenge right away. They're calling for legs, and they bring him up. So we will have a review. Everybody and their mother yelled legs there. Caution in 2. What are we doing here? Did they call the caution in 2? Caution and 2 confirmed. And now India will challenge. So here we go. Hang tight, folks. Caution in 2 is confirmed. Parterre. And another point for red for the lost challenge. Sorry. Now Mango back at parterre because of the caution. Now with the front headlock, rolls it through. Scores 2, gives up 1. So it's going to be a 5-1 period. Should be 5-1. 5-1, that is the. There's the call. Got it all straightened out. You saw the Indian hook the leg, and that is why they lost the challenge. So Mango got 2 for the caution. You hook the leg in that position to prevent a score. It will be a caution in 2 every time. Here we go to period 2. Mango lowers his level. Again, which isn't hard when you're 5'3" something, maybe 5'4". Of course, this were an NFL roster, he'd probably be 5'8". Referee admonishing Kumar for shoving in the face. Attention. 2 of those is a caution. Mango controlling the wrists. Two-on-one for Kumar. Open. Mango fighting inside, drag attempt. Mango clears that tie. Back to the center. 1:05 to go. Roughly 30 till we get to parterre if we do. Pretty big 121 pounders, 55 kilos is Rajender Kumar. 15 till we get to parterre if we remain scoreless. And we go to parterre. Mango will have to defend. Jermaine Hodge takes third over on mat 3. That's feed 3. You can check that out on the mat.tv if you aren't watching so already. Jason Bryant here with you from the Olympic Training Center for day 3 of the Schultz 14th annual, and we are in Greco-Roman. Tight gut wrench by Kumar. Mango trying to dive forward. Kumar with the lift. Mango trying to be heavy on his base. Mango steps over, counters. He's going to get 2, and he's going to look for the fall. Trying to settle and adjust. Looking for the fall is Mango. 5 seconds to go. 2, fall confirmed. Winner with a fall for the Army, Spencer Mango. Good lift by the Indian, but Mango heavy on the hips, used his leverage, came over, got the fall and the Schultz championship. It'll be another